If you're a blogger, small business owner, or solopreneur trying to manage everything yourself, you already know that social media is one of those things that constantly falls to the bottom of the list. Not because you don't want to do it, but because you're already the creator, the business owner, the marketing team, the accountant, and the customer service rep all wrapped into one. So social media is a lot to add on top of all of that. But today, we're gonna fix that. Hi, I'm Max. I help bloggers, online sellers, and affiliate marketers get their content seen without burning out. If that sounds like your vibe, now's a great time to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss future videos like this. In today's video, we're talking about the best social media marketing plan for 2026, specifically for bloggers and small businesses. We'll cover the difference between social media growth, influencer strategies, and social media marketing, who this plan is actually for and who it isn't, and the top tools to use to multiply your marketing efforts without spending more time creating content. I'll also walk you through exactly what a simple weekly marketing plan looks like using a tool that does most of the heavy lifting for you. Before we get into it, I want to be clear about one thing. This is a marketing plan, not a social media growth or virality plan. If you want to be a content creator making videos on TikTok or Instagram and building a following from scratch, this is not the video for you. But if you have an existing business, brand, or you're just starting one and you want to understand how to get your products, blog posts, and services in front of more people without it taking hours out of your day, then follow along. This video is going to show you how to market what you already have in a way that scales your reach without burning you out. All right, let's get into it. Social media marketing. So what does social media marketing actually mean, and how is it different from what most people think of when they hear the word social media? Social media marketing is when you get your brand, whether that's your blog posts, services, products, or name, in front of more people, whether that's new customers or existing ones. A lot of people underestimate the value of simply being seen and how a few small extra touch points can make a huge difference in both new customers and repeat customers too. So here's an example. There's a jewelry shop where I live that makes the most beautiful, dainty jewelry. I don't need to go jewelry shopping all the time, but they post consistently on social media. They're not following trends, they're not making viral videos, they're just posting pictures of new releases, seasonal pieces, and sales. So every time I'm randomly scrolling and I see them, I think about the shop. Last week, I saw that they had a sale and I actually ended up going in because I wanted to see what I could get for 40% off. Those little touch points reconnected me with a brand that I already trusted and got me back through their door. And those are honestly the best kinds of sales to make because the customer already likes you. And think about anyone who you follow who sells something. It could be a friend who makes stickers, a local baker, a boutique clothing shop. The ones you keep buying from are almost always the ones that you keep seeing. Not because they're the best marketers in the world, but because they keep showing up regularly and remind you that they exist. So that's social media marketing for small businesses. It's not about going viral, it's about staying visible to the people who already like what you do and occasionally catching the attention of someone new who was already looking for you. Managing multiple platforms. So here's where most people get stuck. They either don't know how to start, or if they finally figure out all the different dimensions, tones, and posting times for each platform, they struggle to stay consistent, especially when they're doing it all manually. And that's a real issue. Every platform wants something different. Pinterest wants vertical images. Facebook does better with horizontal layouts and conversational captions. LinkedIn has a bit more of a professional tone. Instagram's obviously very visual and aesthetic. X is short, punchy, 160 characters. So not only do you have to create content, then you have to resize it, rewrite it, and redo captions for each platform. Then adjust the tone, figure out the right format. It's too much to do every single time. And then you actually have to post it, monitor it, check comments, and do it all over again the following week. So for a solo operator or a small team, this becomes a full-time job very quickly. And when it feels like a full-time job, most people just stop doing it altogether and their site gets unseen. Their products don't get promoted and their audience slowly forgets they exist. So what's the solution? This is where a tool called Content Generator changes everything for small business owners who want to show up on social media without hiring a marketing team. Content Generator takes your existing content, whether that's a blog post, product page, service page, or landing page, and turns it into ready-to-post content for 5 platforms: Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and X. You do not have to use all 5, but you can. It automatically will pull your title, description, images, and links, and then format them according to the templates you choose or the ones you create yourself. And I'll walk you through how to do that at the end of this video. But first, let's look at what a real weekly marketing plan might look like using Content Generator, because this is where it starts to click for most people. Let's say you run a custom jewelry shop on Etsy and you've just released a new product. You might think that's the only content you have to share this week, but let's look at what's actually available for you to use. So on Monday, go ahead and post about that new product across all 5 platforms. But on Tuesday, bring back an older product that deserves more attention and share that. On Wednesday, share something relevant to your audience. Maybe it's a blog post about why handmade jewelry makes a better gift than mass-produced pieces, or a guide to caring for delicate jewelry. On Thursday, you can promote a sale or a discount on older inventory, and on Friday, highlight a service that most people don't know about, such as a custom order option or a personalization service. So while it was just one new product, you were able to create 5 completely different pieces of content and 5 different touch points across the week, all pointing people back to your shop. None of it required you to come up with something brand new every single day. This is the shift that makes social media marketing actually sustainable for small businesses. You stop thinking about what's new and start thinking about what's worth showing again, what angle you haven't tried yet, and what your audience hasn't seen in a while. Content Generator handles the formatting and the scheduling. Your job is to think a little bit more strategically about what you want to promote each week. And if you want to go even more hands-off, Content Generator has an automation feature where you just connect your website or shop and set up your posting preferences for each platform, and it will handle everything on a rolling basis, weekly, monthly, whatever you choose. You'll review what's going out and approve it, but the system does the rest. Let me walk you through it. Let me show you how simple this actually is. Head to contentgenerator.io and you'll see 2 ways to get started. The first is the Generate page where you drop in a single URL and it immediately creates posts across all 5 platforms. This is great for one-off pieces of content or if you want to test the tool before committing to a full setup. But the second is the automation feature, which is what I'd recommend for anyone who wants a consistent, ongoing marketing system. So click Automate Your Content Creation and you'll walk through a quick setup. You'll add your website, connect your social profiles, and choose how often you want each platform to post. You can set specific posting days, times, and time zones so everything goes out exactly when you want it to. From there, you can choose template packs to keep your visuals consistent across every platform, set AI preferences like tone of voice, decide whether to include hashtags or not, and update your brand colors. Then you'll hit Generate. Content Generator will build out a full batch of posts for you to review, and you'll get an email when everything is ready. And from there, you can edit individual posts, swap images, adjust captions, and schedule everything all on one platform. The first generation is free to try, so you can see exactly what it produces for your content before you commit to anything. The best social media marketing plan for 2026 is not the most complicated one. It's the one you can actually stick to. For bloggers and small business owners who are already stretched thin, this means having a system that does the heavy lifting for you so you can focus on running your business while your content keeps working for you in the background. Consistency is what builds trust online. And when someone finds your shop or your blog and then sees you showing up regularly on social media, it signals that you're a real active business. This builds credibility, and your credibility will lead to sales. Content Generator is built exactly for that, and you can find it at contentgenerator.io. And remember, the first generation is free to try. If this video helped, now's a great time to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss future videos like this. I'm Max. I share weekly Pinterest and social media marketing videos to help you get your content seen without burning out. I'll see you next week. Let's get generating.